Just.
Yeah.
Long time, bro. How hectic is that, Dude. M5, bro. Oh shit, boys. Go, boy. Yeah. Whoa, what is that? What was that? Make sure it's the right way, eh? Got it.
And welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes. Today,
There we go.
Are you recording? Graham's behind the camera and I'm pretty scared. But yeah, we're busy taking the interior out. It's a nice space to be in. What are you zooming up on there? Don't you cross my legs or something? Oh, got it. So what do you do now, G? Actually, they need to take this off, or should I rather say you just need to break this off. You can see where it freaking cracked. This is so bad. This is so dodgy. Okay guys, then you need to take this piece of trim off. Yeah. And then you just break that off like that. And then you're golden.
Like a myth.
Okay guys, and once you've broken all that other stuff, then you just need to break this off. Like, oh, that. There's a cigarette lighter port here, which is really cool. Yeah, that's... How's the Palomar treating you?
Oh, good, have you taken my coat?
Okay,
That's 2 buckets.
One. And done.
One and done.
What, is there only 2?
Yeah.
Oh, there is only 2. Okay, cool, well we did it. Let's check this.
Like a greasy.
Jeez. So it's hot as fuck. You're having fun, G? That's where we want it to be. Okay guys, let's do this. We're gonna smash this arch. Nothing's gonna touch after this. We're gonna grind that, and I think we can cut it up here because this is hollow. Cut it there, roll this in, hammer that in, seal, paint. I'm so scared. Why am I so scared, dude? I love my shitbox, bro.
I don't want to cut my shit off.
Fuck, I don't want to cut my shitbox. But Dan was like, don't cut it. So I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna cut it. What does Dan know?
I've got professional advice.
And then I'm just ignoring it. Fuck.
Where does 2 go? 2 goes in there. There's a big hole there. But what? It just says 2 screw. It's been like 2 hours.
Dude, I think he's on the 3rd, and this thing looks filthy. We started rolling this side. We did crack it. We heated it up, and if you heat it up too much, the paint bubbles off. So don't do that. But when it's nice and hot, the inner lip does bend quite easily. And yeah, I caused a little bit of shit on this one because I had the angle of the wheel too much like this, obviously to bend that other lip in, and then I was rolling, and then I ended up actually rolling the arch out a little bit. So I've caused a little bit of cut there. What you need to do is once you've rolled that lip in a bit, then you need to readjust the wheel so that it's like vertical, and then you need to roll the lip fully onto the car, giving pressure on this side. So I must admit we did cause a little bit of cut on this arch, but we're gonna just flat, then we're gonna obviously body fill if need be, and then prime, and then I'm just gonna do all the rest on the car as well. Prime all that, flat all that, and then we'll wrap the car probably